The amount of riders that have been rumored to be joining the new Ducati team for next year has just been incredible. I mean, you've had, everybody that's basically out of a contract this year. Anderson, Barcia, Ferrandis, Tomac, Sexton, anyone that needs a ride or is looking to change have been attached to this team. And as of the moment, the recent rumor has been that Dylan Ferrandis has been joining this. Justin Barcia has been attached to this basically from the beginning, and he seems to have stuck basically all the way through. So maybe that's an actual one that's going to be true. But coming from Steve Mathis or Pulp Mex on the screen right there, as you can see it, it says Ducati should be 51 and 14 next year. Red Bull helmets, TLD gear helmets, and good for Dylan. So he's pretty well locked in. I mean, not locked in, but when he says something, it's with a source or however you want to say, it's pretty well confirmed. Like, he doesn't do a lot of massive rumors or outlandish things. It's not a kooksy rumor, obviously. So you can almost basically bet that this is going to be true. So if you want to play the hypothetical game, this is what I'm going to leave, or not leave, but this is where I'm going to ask you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is this a good team? Do you think Justin Barcia and Dylan Ferrandis are going to be competitive on these bikes? As far as, any stats you can find, it's going to be the most powerful bike. I think it's like 64 or 63 horsepower, something like that, which I think at the moment Yamaha is the most, and it's like 55. So they should be rocket ships. Let's be honest here. Everything Ducati's been making recently is incredibly fast with MotoGP, World SBK, Moto America, any sort of street racing, or not street racing, but circuit racing, road racing, whatever you want to call it. They are, if not dominating, one of the top teams running. So you got to question or think that this team, this bike, is going to come out there and be just a rocket ship, super powerful, very fast. And who knows? I mean, obviously, Justin Barcia is kind of in the twilight years of his career. Same thing with Dylan Ferrandis. So this is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Like I said, do you think this is a good team, good pick? Would you have liked to see somebody else? How well do you think they do? Obviously, that bike's already won a national championship, so it's been proven to be fast. But like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things the platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.